Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We can see the market direction has now gone into the expected summer doldrums. Today, after the doji on Friday, which could have implied a J-hook pattern heading up to the 50 in the Dow, we opened lower and came back down, which is now more of an implication this market is still moving sideways. And even more so over here in the NASDAQ, notice how they gapped it down toward the previous day or the previous day's trading, definitely showing a failure at the 50-day moving average. Another indication that we might be heading back down in a sideways market. However, there are still, I said that too quickly. You can see in some of the majors like Amazon that they're in this sideways mode. Anytime they hit resistance levels, they start backing off. But there are some strong signals and patterns still available or identifiable using candlestick analysis. For example, ICL did a best friend signal, doji gap up off the T line coming out of the oversold area. But even more indication was, look at all the dojis down here, lots of indecision. That's usually the precursor to a change of investor sentiment. And then the gap up also makes an island reversal. This is a very strong bullish indicator. Another one, Cocoa. Look at your best friend signal that gapped up on Friday and did a long-legged doji. Remember the doji rule. These are just simple rules applied to candlestick analysis based upon the high probability results of what human nature will likely do based upon a candlestick signal. A positive open told us this gap up, which changed investor sentiment, is now continuing this uptrend. The other side of the coin is we reiterated a short on DCPH. Notice the bearish engulfing signal right at the same level it topped out before, also failing at the 200, giving you a double top and now gapping down from that signal through the T line, first target, second target. You can see that in fun. An evening star signal, a hanging man signal right at the 50. You can see the trend channel. This becomes the obvious target. Stochastics heading down. What we basically are looking at on these charts is signals and patterns that the investor sentiment produces as far as high probability trade results. Join us, whoops, I didn't put this information up yet. July 23rd, we will be doing a full day training on the high, what we call top ranked signals and patterns that have extremely high probabilities of combining candlestick signals and patterns that greatly enhance identifying which signals have strong reversal signals as well as high profit results. So right now in this market going pretty much sideways, especially with the NASDAQ gapping down away from the 50, we're going to be moving sideways. It might be a pretty boring market here for the next few weeks, but the simplicity of candlestick charting techniques allows you to find those few signals and patterns showing where the investor sentiment is moving to or moving out of. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.